Hey guys, this is Anuj. You're watching Tech Party. Today I will show you how to create a Facebook login page using CSS and HTML within a simple code, and later I will teach you how to connect these both pages that we have created in the previous video. So let's start the video. I have created two files, facebook.html and facebook.css. Inside the folder social sites where the sign up and the sign up HTML file is also saved. So now go back to the coding. I will write the HTML code for Facebook. This is the simple HTML coding. Now I will give a div tag, give it a class first, and inside the div tag I will write Facebook. Then after this I will write anchor tag that is used to connect two pages. I will connect this page to the sign up, and style for text decoration will be none. After this anchor tag I will use here a input tag where type equals to submit and value will be sign up. Now save it. This is the Facebook and this is the sign up button. Whenever I click sign up button, this will go to the sign up page. This is working good. Now let me apply some CSS. So let me split it and now apply the CSS for the body. And if you want to apply the CSS on this HTML file, then you have to give a link that looks like this. Now save these and you can see that it is working. Now I will apply CSS for the first class. So the CSS will be like this and it is working. Now I will write the CSS for this sign up button. So CSS will be the name of the class, then input tag and the type is submit. Now inside this I will apply the CSS code. You can pause the video and write this code. Now save it and go back to the Chrome. You can see the sign up button has changed. Now I will make a new div tag after the first class div tag. So div, give it a class, let second, and after this I will use a center tag that will keep my content in the center, and here I will use a bold tag. Inside here I am writing log into Facebook. Save it and go back to Chrome. How it looks, this is the center and this is the text log into Facebook. Now let me use a br tag, and after this I will make a input tag type equals to text and placeholder equals to enter email or phone number. So now I will close this input tag and use a br tag, copy this code and paste two more times for the password and for the submit. Change text to the password and change the email number and paste here also password. Change this third one, submit, and here I will write log in. Save it and check how it looks. This is the input tag for email address and this is the password, and you here the submit. Let me change the placeholder into value. Save it. Now this is our login button. Now I will apply CSS for this div tag that is our second class. So the CSS will be like this, margin, height, width, and save it and check how it looks. Let me apply CSS for these input tags. So for the first, that is the text type input. So now I will apply same for the password. Copy it and paste here and change text into password. Save it and check. Now I will apply CSS for this login button. So go back and the type is the submit. Now copy the CSS and paste it one more time and change this password into submit. And let me add some more CSS, that is background color. It will be 3B5998 and then color of the font, that is our login, should be white. Save it and check how it looks. Now it looks perfect. Now I will give two links for the forget and sign up. Inside the center tag I will use a span tag, and here I will write my forgotten account. Save it and check. So if you want that the forgotten account will work as a link, so you have to give a anchor tag. href will be the name of the HTML file where you want to link this forgotten account. Save it and check. Whenever you click, this will go somewhere, but I didn't give any file in the href because I didn't make any file for this forgotten account. If you want to remove this line, so you have to type here style equals to text decoration, that will be none. After this you can see the line has disappeared. If you type here has, save it, so this will go to this same page. You can see here this has come with the name facebook.html. Now I will copy this and paste it after using and NBSP, that is used for the space, and paste it over here. And let me change this forgotten into sign up for new account and change this has into the signup.html file that I have saved in the same folder. So whenever what happens, let me save it and check how it looks. Whenever I click this sign up for new account, this will go to the sign up page. So this is the linking. Now I will apply CSS for these both links. So I will apply CSS for the span tag because I have write these both links inside this span tag. So save it and check how it looks. Now it looks fine. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So hit a like button and subscribe my channel Tech Party.